Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. Now open up the Facebook app or facebook.com, tap on the menu button at the very bottom right, or it might be at the top right. Let's scroll down, open up Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now from here it's pretty straightforward. All we need to do is go down to Audience and Visibility. The first thing we're going to do is go to how people find and contact you. And it says who can see your friends list. Let's switch this to only me. And then scroll down. If it says search engines can find your profile, you want to turn that off. Next, let's go back out here and let's go to posts. And on posts for future posts, we want to set this to friends or only me if you wanted to completely lock it down. Now, after we've done that, let's tap on limit who can see past posts and tap limit past posts. Essentially, all the old posts that were public will now be private. Now let's go back out of here, back again one. And next we're going to go to stories. And it says who can see your stories. You can switch this to friends, or if you wanted to, you can just choose specific friends that will be able to see your story. Make sure it doesn't say public. Next, let's go back on here and you can see a bunch of other options that you probably want to set as I have them set so that other people cannot share your stories. Now let's go back and let's tap on Reels. Similar to before, you want to make sure that it says allow others to share your Reels. That is turned off. And who can see future posts? Only me. Now let's go back out of here and go to profile and tagging. It says who can post on your profile. You might want to switch this to only me. And then who can see what others post on your profile. Again, I would recommend this to only me. Now, all the other things you can basically set the exact same that I have set. And now let's go back and go to active status and make sure this is turned off so no one knows when you're on Facebook. Now, the last thing we can do is try to just lock it from one step, one button by tapping on your profile and then those three dots at the top right. Now on here, right under archive, if you see lock profile similar to this, you'll be able to just tap on lock profile and then it will immediately lock it for you. However, unfortunately, this is only available in some countries and it is not available in the United States, but we just went through the entire process of locking it anyway. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.